We all want a comfortable mattress to sleep, but do you know how mattresses are made in the factory? Well, to see the full fascinating process, stick with us through to the end of this video. Manufacturing begins with the base foam. After taking measurements, one end of the middle foam is cut. Here, both parts of the middle foam are bound with glue. In a similar way, the large and small parts of the base foam are bound with glue. Now, the base sheet and middle sheet are joined. After that, the top foam sheet is cut. Once the sheet is cut, the large and small parts of the sheet are again stuck with glue. Here, the top foam sheet is glued with the middle foam sheet. Then all the sheets of foam are measured and the edges are trimmed. Now the foam sheets are ready and they are sent on for the next procedure. At this stage, the cover of the mattress is measured and cut. After that, the foam sheet is covered with the mattress cover and it's glued. Then the mattress cover and foam sheet are sewn using a sewing machine. Here, the brand sticker is cut and sewn with the mattress cover. Finally, the mattress is ready and packed. At this stage, a corner guard is attached to the corner of the mattress. In the end, the mattress is ready and the company sticker is attached. Contact us if you would like to feature your factory on Unbox Factory.